Hello, I'm Ah-Hui. Today I'm introducing a robot vacuum cleaner to everyone. It's really different. Common questions. Are you getting a robot vacuum cleaner or buy a cordless vacuum cleaner? No need to choose. Today I'm introducing the eufy E20 to everyone. It's truly a robot vacuum, handheld vacuum, upright vacuum, a versatile 3-in-1 product. You buy one and use it as several. Save space and money. Ah-Hui mentions robot vacuum cleaners. I must reiterate, one of the 3 treasures to save a marriage is the robot vacuum cleaner. It might even be at the top of the list. If you haven't bought a robot vacuum cleaner yet, go buy one immediately, quickly, right now. Don't let your marriage deteriorate. However, there are often people who say, robot vacuum cleaners are useless. They can't vacuum beds, can't vacuum curtains. Some also say, maybe you should still buy a regular vacuum cleaner first. Honestly, there's some truth to that. Robot vacuum cleaners, I've mentioned before that their advantage is helping you consistently maintain home cleanliness, especially with their nearly fully automatic operation. For example, speaking for myself, I would set it to clean every day. It will automatically clean every room. It's definitely a new generation of technology appliances that once used, you can't go back. But also because of the working style of robot vacuum cleaners. I can honestly tell you, besides the robot vacuum cleaner, indeed, it's still best to have a traditional vacuum cleaner at home, or even the now popular cordless handheld vacuum cleaners. It's best to pair with a robot vacuum cleaner because there will always be times when you want to clean a specific place or area. It could be the floor, it could be the tabletop, it could be the curtains, it could even be the ceiling, like Ah-Hui, who is a geeker, need to clean home, to clean your computer, to clean your keyboard. Traditional robot vacuum cleaners are indeed not suitable for these usage scenarios. So are you going to hold the robot vacuum cleaner in your hand and use it to vacuum the curtains? That's impossible, right? Exactly. Today, it's really this intuitive indeed to achieve with this eufy E20. Now, it just seems like a familiar robot vacuum cleaner, right? But the key point is here top. There's a red button. You just press it. Ta-da! Look at this. It separates. Exactly. Just like in robot animations, a design that is separable. This eufy E20 with just one press turns into a handheld vacuum in 1 second. Exactly. The eufy E20 is a machine for multiple usage scenarios. It is a fully automatic smart technology robot vacuum cleaner, fully automatic to help you keep your home clean, and also a powerful handheld cordless vacuum cleaner. It comes with various attachments, from the ceiling to the floor, from the sofa to the curtains. Nothing is too difficult for it. Let's put the eufy E20 on table, introduce it to everyone. First, the eufy E20 is a fully functional unit, including features, a charging and dust collection base, an all-purpose robot vacuum cleaner. In addition to the base and robot vacuum cleaner itself, it also includes a crevice nozzle and a brush nozzle, as well as 3 types of nozzles: long rod, carpet nozzle. The machine, including the base, is not large. In addition, the eufy E20 itself is equipped with a robot vacuum cleaner, upright vacuum cleaner, including a handheld vacuum, a 3-in-1 device. I think it's quite suitable for small apartments and small families. In fact, Ah-Hui also plans to use this eufy E20 in the studio in the future. The vacuum cleaner. The eufy E20 is very feature-rich. Suction power is key. eufy E20 strong. It reaches astonishing suction power of 30,000 PA. I want to reassure everyone, this refers to the maximum suction power. For example, in robot vacuum cleaner mode. Of course, you won't always use the maximum suction power. For instance, if you encounter a carpet like this, when strong suction power needed, it will automatically increase in everyday life using the robot vacuum cleaner. There won't be excessive noise interference. The low speed operation is only 53 decibels. You don't have to worry about loud noise during use. So that might scare your children or pets. And because the eufy E20 itself has a handheld mode. So in handheld mode, its powerful suction can ensure you have the best cleaning capability. You need to vacuum sealing or drapes, no problem. Moreover, we should mention its main brush and its side brush bristles. It features a tangle-free comb design with a rubber bristle roller brush. So this design, it has a unique dual rotation design to say goodbye to troublesome hair tangles. That's right, ladies, take note. The anti-tangle hair feature you want. The eufy E20 also has it, so you can rest assured. And then there's something quite special, which is this area at the front. It's important for a robot vacuum, is its cleaning navigation and obstacle avoidance capabilities. The eufy E20 is equipped with triple laser recognition for obstacle avoidance. Let's do a real test. We'll use Ah-Hui's Gundam to test its obstacle avoidance ability. Where got it? Did you steal it? Are you going this far? My Gundam is expensive. Are you really going to test it? Really going to? Really going to? Alright, let's test it. What are you afraid of? Let's go big, shall we? First, it doesn't need a lot of light. You don't worry about brightness, or when you're using it at night. Robot vacuums needed to be turned on. You had to have lights on, or turn them on to use it. E20, no issue. It can be used without turning on the lights. Then even the smallest obstacles cannot escape detection. The eufy E20 uses laser recognition, which brings additional benefit. I think it's quite important in this day and age that the eufy E20 does not use a video camera. So conversely, you don't need to worry about privacy issues at all, right? Many people will definitely ask, what about using it in multi-story situations? Rest assured, the eufy E20 supports multi-floor map creation. Although I still think having one per floor is the best. But still, the eufy E20 does support multi-floor use. It supports multi-floor map memory and can switch between them without any issues. As for the operation, on the machine itself, the eufy E20 has physical control buttons panel. It also has a child lock to prevent accidental touches by children or pets. A robot vacuum's key role is to let your cats and dogs sit on it like a remote-controlled car. If you have this need, well, in terms of control, of course, besides the direct operation buttons on the machine, there is also a mobile app ready for use, including support for multi-floor map support without issues. It also includes zone cleaning. The scheduled cleaning function is available. In my own use of a robot vacuum cleaner, I would set it to operate when I'm not at home at 3 p.m. to automatically clean once a day. When you use with a mobile phone, you can use voice commands, such as with Siri or Google Voice Assistant. You can even pair it with a smart speaker. In this kind of usage scenario, if you let your children or family members use it, voice operation is a very good way to use it. Alright, the key point is this, the detachable design. Press this eufy E20, the red button on the machine. This red color is eye-catching. It is the highlight of highlights. When you press this button, by holding it, you can remove the core of the robot. The eufy E20 becomes a lightweight handheld vacuum core. The robot vacuum, and what I find interesting is, it cleverly utilizes space. Right here, it safely stores the crevice tool directly on the body of the machine, so you don't have to worry about losing it. The advantage of having it stored on the machine itself is you can take it out as needed. I find it quite convenient as well. The other accessories are here. Let me show you here. There are brush attachments like this. You can adjust them. You can choose between a hard tube or extend it to become a soft brush. There are also floor nozzles and extension rods. These extension rods can be extended. Then combined with the eufy E20 with its powerful suction of up to 30,000 PA. So you could say, the eufy E20 is a robot vacuum cleaner combined with a cordless vacuum cleaner. And it also has a handheld type and a floor use type. So the E20 is a 3-in-1 robot vacuum cleaner. There's no need to worry about cleaning, as the eufy E20 has a 5-stage filter, which is one of the strongest on the market. It can effectively filter out up to 99.97% dust particles as small as 0.3 meter micrometers. The base station itself is equipped with a charging and central dust collection station design. As for the main unit itself, the E20 can offer 180 minutes of battery life, 3 hours of endurance. You would need a very large mansion for it to be insufficient, really super large. I think it's not important when machine loses power. It will return to the base station to recharge. This central dust collection combined with a sealed dust bag is a design that perfectly prevents secondary pollution. There will be a small handle here. When you pull it up and then pull it up again, you'll find the dust bag is directly sealed. You can clean without getting your hands dirty at all. This dust bag for general use lasts 75 days, which is roughly 2.5 months. Please clean it again. You just take the dust bag and throw it away and replace it with a new one. It's that simple and elegant. Alright, that's all for today's video by Ah-Hui. Robot vacuum cleaner, upright vacuum cleaner, handheld vacuum cleaner. Now the eufy E20 is a 3-in-1 device, perfectly designed. Besides, purchasing one is like buying 3, saving money. I think what's more important is it saves a lot of space, making it suitable for small homes and families. The functionality is still very complete, with powerful suction, optical avoidance navigation, anti-tangle, multiple air filtration, automatic charging and central dust collection. Today, this eufy E20 is a multifunctional machine, both powerful and excellent. Ah-Hui's videos, like subscribe, turn bell, ask below. I will try my best to help answer them. Take note. Subscribe, enable bell. Due to algorithm issue, you might only subscribe. You might not receive notifications of latest videos. If you turn on the notification bell, you'll have a better option. It's best to set it up like this. If you have any questions, I'll help answer them. Thank you, bye-bye. Love you all.